Hi everyone, my name is Hitomi and I will be going over a DIY kit from Motley Bliss. It is a DIY macrame rainbow keychain. This kit comes with 3 different embroidery threads and you get to choose your colors when checking out. 3 macrame rope pre-cut and taped off for the size of the project, needle and thread, and a nice keychain. Oh, and a QR code that takes you to the video tutorial for this project. Okay, let's get nifty. I have been waiting to make these rainbow crafts for a while now. I've seen it all over the place, so I'm super stoked to try this. Also, I get to support a small business by trying out their kit, so it's a win-win for me. Working with thread is not my favorite craft. I don't like things that can unravel and knot up, but I really want this keychain, so I'll stop complaining and share with you some tips I picked up. Like when wrapping the thread around the rope, it's like making a friendship bracelet. Tape down the rope at the edge of the table and have that workspace below you. And once I moved on to the second color, I figured out this twisting method, which I think it worked better for me, so I'm gonna stick with this one. Heads up, this next part where it involves the thread and the needle, she uses a plier to pull the needle through. I thought I was tough enough, so I didn't have it ready, but definitely listened to her. My thumbs are still sore. And this pattern of threading the ropes together seems pretty easy, and it actually is fairly simple, but there's a fine dance that my not so dainty hands had to figure out. I highly recommend watching her video, especially during this process. I used to work where I had to sew and make a lot of knots, and we would say, if you don't know the knot, tie a lot. I'm doing the same thing here, and I will say that this is not hard. I just didn't have the right tools ready. But with this part being over, let's talk money. This kit was only $16. I love the fact that for its price, it comes with all the materials, and the right amount too. No leftovers, no bundles of yarn sitting in my cardboard boxes piling up. If you were to purchase all the materials for this project, you would probably spend around $35. $5 to $10 per yarn bundle, $3 for the needle and thread, $20 for macrame rope, and like $2 to $5 for a nice keychain. Sure, if you have all these things laying around the house, it would be free. So if that floats your boat, go for it. I mean, I won't lie, I'd probably make more of these now that I know how to and play with the size and color, make it into a garland, an ornament, or just like a simple wall decor. But either way, super happy. Alright, so this was a super fun DIY kit. I'm definitely going to use this for my car keychain. I think it's going to be really nice to just have it dangle, and also it's going to be easy to find it on my purse. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any other DIY kits that you recommend and you would like me to try. Leave it in the comments below, but other than that, please take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.